Shiori has a cool reading brain that's supercharged with power. When playing Speech Sound Detective, she discovered the sound pic in hour. Think about it, it's ow, ow, two speech sounds. So which is the sound pic for It's the ah. Well done, Shiori. Michael spotted guidelines, a word that is tricky to split. There are 7 speech sounds, so work out the pics. G-U is the picture for it. Guidelines. G-eyed or eyes. Guidelines.
Before I do something, I want to have a look at a fantastic word that, Mrs. Lesarago told me that somebody found. I wonder if anyone can read it first of all.
Guidelines.
What can we hear in guidelines? Show me duck hands.
Let's do it together with duck hands.
Guidelines.
There's 2 eyes.
Amy.
Cameron, could you just have a look at Michael because this is one that he looked at. So guidelines. So we were thinking hold on. So we're thinking, where do we split it? Where's the
It's 4.
Where's the What do you think? Well, what Michael thought, first of all, and I love the way he processed this, he put this for the and then what did you think? Then he thought guy, who saw the blue level sandwich?
Me.
Too clever. Lines. And then I thought, that is a good way to look at it. And then I thought,
Oh, you're not listening. What a shame, Alaska.
and then I thought, do you know what? As in eyed lines. I think that's a blue level sandwich. So then I thought,
Yeah, it's a sandwich.
how about if that was the eye?
Shame. How rude.
Then that would, what would that be?
Good.
You found a new
What? But what if it's
eyed, all, eye,
You good.
There's oh, goodness me.
You forgot your 2 lines.
Which one?
4 and 7.
Oh, yes, well done. All, 4 and 7, yes. Good job for you here. Honestly, because I'm always making mistakes, aren't I? And that's what I tell teachers all the time. I say, I'm not the one who's got all the knowledge. They've got more than me half the time. So we've got guidelines. Look at that, how we would teach them to read it. And then I thought, well, Michael, could you please go and look in the good cloud and see if that GU is in the good, because you might have discovered some new one.
It's not.
Well, Michael, come and show the camera so that the camera can see you looking at the gut.
I can see it from here.
You might need to stand on a little thing and put the gut up there.
That's right.
Is he allowed just for now to stand on a chair?
Yes.
Stand next to him.
Just for
As long
now?
as Miss Emma's catch it forward.
I
We don't normally. That's right. That's how we know.
So he did discover one. So even though he thought he discovered that one, it was even more exciting because he's discovered one. That's it. Well done. Good. Now I'm going to wrap this up in a minute. I'm going to ask everybody to write where the sound pics are for guidelines. So I hope you were noticing because it's going on.
Yay. Right, guidelines.
Right, guidelines and show me.
I did it.
Brilliant. Well detected.
The lines, the numbers.
Right, guidelines, and we want to see the
Go, Ella.
numbers.